Oh, Ray Liotta dies. Goodfellas star and Field of Dreams actor, was 67 years old. Ray Liotta, incredible actor, obviously. Just epic performance in Goodfellas.
He was in Blow.
Absolutely. You're a big fan of that movie. You always bring that movie up.
Great movie.
He was 67 years old, and he was shooting a film, I guess, in Dominican, and apparently he died in his sleep. Probably more details will emerge as time passes. Dominican Republic, he was shooting the film Dangerous Waters. He leaves behind a daughter. He was engaged to be married as well. He was on a big resurgence. Recent turns included The Many Saints of Newark. That was the Sopranos, what do you call it, prequel? He shared, what was it, No Sudden Move and Cocaine Bear. And he was due to star in the working title film The Substance opposite Demi Moore and Margaret Qualley. So I mean, he was still working.
Yeah.
Working hard. Down there in Dominican, filming. I always wonder about that as you get older, whether you take it easy or not.
Well, it kind of shows his love for acting.
Sure.
To keep going at 67. So.
Yeah.
Big bucket of wind. Right?
What?
Big bucket of wind?
Oh, wind. I thought you said wind. I was like, what does that mean? No, yeah. I mean, I'm just looking at it. I'm just thinking about it because that, that's one of my favorite. Goodfellas is one of my favorite movies ever. And he was, I mean, that movie it's just obviously not that movie without him. I mean, he was like, some of that stuff when he was frantic and like, it's just so perfect. He does it. Everything comes together so perfectly. His franticness, anxiousness.
And just like the aging process. Like when he first started as like a gangster and then like going through like the last bit of it.
There's a sequence where feels like he's being followed and the helicopter's following him and he's driving and he's starting to become properly paranoid. And he wore paranoia perfectly.
And he's drugged out as
well. He wore it perfectly in that movie. So, R.I.P. Ray Liotta. I gotta go back and watch those movies now.
Yeah.